Alright, so if you click on this video, you probably checked my Substack post. If not, I'm going to put it here on the screen, and it's going to be on the description box below. And just to recap, this is going to be 3 hacks that you can use to improve your language learning journey. These are hacks that I found that you can use for free on 3 different apps. It's going to be real quick. It shouldn't take you less than 3 minutes. So without further ado, let's check it out. And don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment on this video. So yeah, check it out. Basically, this is a Substack post that I posted this week. And if you want to check it out, it's in the description box below. So basically, I'm going to give you 3 tips that you can use on their 3 different apps that you can actually use for free. So you don't have to pay for the premium version. And stick around because I'll give you a bonus at the end of this video. So let's go to the first option or the first tip. Let's go first to language tool. Basically, what language tool or the SideBar does is that it basically adds to your preferred text-based application. In this case, WhatsApp. This works with both WhatsApp web and the application. So all you have to do in here is that whenever you are typing anything, let's say in your target language, it'll give you some observations. So you can actually select your target language in here. So in this case, I'm looking at French. So I can actually get a couple of highlights in here. So you'll notice that if I go in here on this corner, it'll start making the corrections. So it'll put it right away for me. And this is actually very useful. It's basically like right on the spot. You don't have to switch in between applications, and it's actually very effective. This is actually very good because you can also use the language tool main window. So you can actually get the same corrections in here, as well as reformulate your same sentences as, in the main software. Now let's go to the second option, which is deepl. Deepl, what it does is that it's basically a translation application. So all you have to do in here is to install the software, and in here you're going to go to deepl Write. So in here, I'm going to use the same sentences, and what I can do in here is that I can get myself a snapshot before and after of the corrections. So on the right, you'll find the actual correct way to spell it. And if you want to see what actually happened, what actually took place for the corrections to be shown, you can actually select to show the changes here in the top right corner, and it'll give you basically the before and after and what actually happened in between. So in here, he basically added a couple of liaisons or contractions. In here, you can find that he or the application went for and basically contracted both words. As an added bonus in here, you can also go to any application or publication, and then you can double click it, and you select the small icon here on the corner, and it will give you the translation right away. Again, you don't have to search in between websites or applications. It gives you the translations right away in here. Lastly, we're going to go to ChatGPT. Basically, this is a hack for basically getting the casual version of each and every sentence that you make on each message. So we're going to go to ChatGPT, just give me a second. And in here, I'm going to give you a couple of examples. Basically, I asked ChatGPT to give me the casual version of my formal text. So in here, this is what I asked him to do, and this is what it gave me in exchange. And I tried it with the example sentences in French, and he gave me the casual version of each of the sentences. This is the added bonus, so check it out. In here, you're going to go to any video and you're going to open the description box. So open it up, and then you're going to go all the way down where it says show transcription. So you select it, and it'll give you right away the transcriptions. You can actually select it and scroll all the way down, highlight the whole thing, copy it, and you can go to your preferred text-based application. So let's say you want to go to, for example, I want to go and open a note in here. I can basically put my entire transcription here for me to check it out and just follow along with this text-based version for the transcription. And that's basically it. If you find this information valuable or helpful, give it a like, comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. And if you like this content, keep coming back next week, and I'll see you on the next one.